Hey guys, Sora here. How are you doing today? Fine? Great! Now let's talk about sadness. What is sadness anyways? This is a word! Just kidding! Well, that's gonna kick the sadness out of you. Hopefully. Back to the topic. Sadness is a noun. Yay! Well, basically. Anyways, it is the condition or quality of being sad. Well, if you're looking for the synonyms of the word, why the? If you're looking for the synonyms of the word sadness for your own, I don't know, book or your essay on your school, well, yeah, I do that most of the times. I have a book that I didn't even started doing. Well, because sometimes I have a lot of ideas about making my own book, but suddenly I don't know, I can't think of a word or a sentence to begin with the story. Well, yeah, that's a life of a broken book writer. Anyways, here are the synonyms of the word sadness. Enjoy. Wow, the world is getting sadder and sadder for every 50 years. That's sad. Well, except for 1900s to 1950 because it went down, but look at 2010. Like, yeah, I know. The generation today is the generation of depression, I think. I mean, look at it. Most of the time, most of us is depressed nowadays. I don't know if it's because of the environment or because of livelihood or just because today is the year of depression and mental illnesses and sadness and yeah. Well, I'm happy because not all the depressed kids took their own life. I know some that did. Well, if you are one of them, if you are one of us, yes, I'm one of you guys. I have a medical record of it, so yeah, if you wanted to talk about it, just give a comment. Let's talk about what's going on in your life, even though we don't know each other, even though I don't know your whole story. Just comment down there. I'll send you my social media accounts and then let's talk about it, okay? So, back to the topic. Well, do you feel sad whenever a cat dies or your favorite pet dies, a hamster, a dog, or a bird, or I don't know what kind of pet do you have? Like in Rick and Morty, the Meeseeks.
I'm Mr. Meeseeks! Look at me!
Or even your favorite character die, whether it is on a TV series or in a movie or even in anime or cartoons. Well, basically, you're upset and wasn't expecting that to happen. So, that's why you're sad. Many events that make you sad is the events that shock you. Like, for example, looking at your wallet, and if you dig down to your wallet, you don't have any money on it. See, that's sad. Or promising yourself you're going to a convention or a concert, and then few days, few weeks, few months come by, you don't have enough money for that concert or convention or whatever, and that's sad. You know, being disappointed is kind of sad too. Being disappointed is kind of sad too. Well, yeah, of course. If you're not disappointed, why are you sad, right? I mean, many many events or activities can make you feel sad or feel upset or be down. Uh, Many of which is because, yeah, you get my point. Being sad or depressed is because you have a low serotonin, serotonin, and and low dopamine. Although sadness and depression are not the same. Well, some, I don't know, some saying that they're the same and whatever, whatever reason, whatever someone, just like, do you have a classmate that is so down, and then one of your classmates said, "Hey dude, you're just sad," or whatever, cheer up dude. Well, look at here, cause they're not the same. Oh, okay, alright, they're not the same. They're different in all aspects of life. Well, yeah, just like I said earlier, I became down when I was 7. So, yeah, let's talk about that on a different video. And also, please don't forget to talk to a friend, or even talk to me if you want to. I just I just want I just want you to feel like you have someone, or being comfort or something, because I know the feeling of being left alone. I know the feeling of, yeah, being brought down, and then no one is capable of helping you. I mean, even yourself, you can help yourself. You have a good advice, but you can't help yourself. Like, for me, I give advices to my friends, but sad part is I give advices, but I can't put that advice on myself. See, that's sad, because not all the times, not all the great advisors can, yeah, can do. Can sadness cause pain? Well, yes, but what kind of pain? Physical, emotional, mental, spiritual? Wait, what? Spiritual? Well, yes, you can be hurt on all of that when you're really, really down. That, yeah, many things can branch out by just being sad. You can be low, can have low esteem, self-pity, become depressed, have anxiety attacks, stress, sleep deprivation, emotionally tired, exhausted all of the time, and sometimes you feel like your heart is heavy, and that's a bad thing, I tell you. But again, if you need someone to talk to, I'm here, or talk to your friend, if you have, yeah. Okay, now let's go back to the topic. Sadness, what a pain in the ass. Well, I'll give you some advice for you to not get sad. One is that you don't have to overthink about everything, about something. You don't need to overthink, just don't overthink. Because overthinking can be hard. Like, you think of one thing, and then after 5 minutes or so, you're thinking about, I don't know, thousands, millions, just because of that one thing. But yeah, overthinking makes everything worse. Like, it's like from 0 to 100 really quick. So don't overthink. Okay. Second is that you don't need to worry about everything or about your problem. I mean, worrying about your problems can be correct, but I mean, worrying not too much, because just solve your, I mean, it's hard, but you need to solve your problems instead of worrying them, because nothing's gonna happen if you kept worrying and worrying and worrying. You just need to fight, and then you need to find a way. Depends on what you can do. You need to find a way to fight your problem. Just be brave. If you can't be brave, find a friend, and then fight him or her with, because sometimes it's hard to be it's hard when you have no shoulders to lean back on. So yeah, another thing is, when you're sad for no reason, don't find a reason why you are sad. Just be optimistic and watch funny videos or memes or something that can help, because sometimes I don't know, like once in a while you'll be sad without a reason. That happens to me. I don't know if that happens to you, but yeah, just think about this three. First, don't overthink. Second is don't worry. And then third, be optimistic. I don't know if that helps you a lot. Yeah, this video is quick. I'll make a video one that is that has more depth on it, and is more details and defined and something. Yeah. I'm sick today, and yeah, problems came along, so I can't pretty much do everything. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this quick video, and please leave a like, comment, and yeah, I'll be here if you need someone to talk to if you don't have one, and share for, I don't know, maybe you have a friend that is sad and you don't know he or she is sad. So maybe sharing that, and subscribe for more video. I mean, this video is kinda different from what I post every once in a while. I mean, I post in videos, but I said to myself, why not try to make a video about what's happening in your life, right? I mean, that's not just my life. What's happening in my life, that is happening with you guys. Well, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Sora out.